What's going on, bevy people? This is Marcus, and today we're going to do a quick Q&A from a question that was asked to me on my OnlyFans training club. If you are watching this on YouTube right now and you're new to OnlyFans, you want to go and check out our OnlyFans training club because we help models get started. And there is my 10-step method to making your first $1,000 in the first month that you're on OnlyFans. But anyway, let's just jump right in. The question that was asked is, I have opened a Reddit account and I have an Instagram and Twitter. I'm slowly adding content to all of these. My question is, does the content I post need to be different on all the platforms? Now, the simple answer is no. But there's a caveat there. I mean, the other answer is yes. So let me explain what I mean by that. When you're starting out, no, you don't have to take separate, images and post different things on your Instagram, Twitter, and your Reddit or any other social media you're using. The reason why is that each one of those sources will bring you different traffic, especially in the beginning. Once you start building a fan base, yes, you might have a fan who's following you on Instagram as well as Twitter. But in the beginning, you want to be utilizing as many social media platforms as you can to get different types of traffic, or not different types, but different sources of traffic to your page. Now, with that said, here's the caveat is that each one of those has different tiers of what they will allow on their platform. For instance, we're going to start with Instagram and work our way to Twitter and then our way to Reddit. Instagram, out of all the platforms, it's run by Facebook. They do not allow sexual content on their pages. So if your OnlyFans account, like most of them are not safe for work, sexual in nature, you can't really post much on Instagram. And I used Instagram the least. I barely use it because they just keep banning me and they keep they're not, the algorithm is not friendly to my account because I have some adult type content on there. So, and I also have put hashtags with OnlyFans, which you should not ever do on Instagram. They'll just shadow ban you and your content will get no views at all. So for Instagram, if you are going to use Instagram as one of your platforms, you want to post safe for work content, maybe content of your day-to-day activities, maybe some pictures of some outfits or something like that. But that's the one I would use the least. After that, you have Twitter. I really like Twitter because not only are you able to post links, you can post adult content, you can post all types of stuff. With Instagram, you can't even put a link in your post, So it's just really bad for marketing Instagram. Twitter is way better. You can put links that go right to your OnlyFans page or to another social media or whatever you want to do links from. You can post that in there. You can post adult content in there, sexual content in there. It's really a way better platform if you're an OnlyFans model and you're doing not safe for work stuff. And then the next level is going to be your Reddit account, and that you can post basically anything you want. The big thing to be aware of there is that when you set up your account, make sure you go to your settings, and for your profile preferences, make sure you click that your profile is adult 18 and over, not safe for work content. If you do not do that and you post anything that's adult, you will get banned and that account will get shut down. Now, there's not much to worry about because you can open up Reddit accounts fairly easy, but they do take time to build. So you don't want to have put in all this time building your account and then get it shut down because you didn't set the right settings. So that information is in the OnlyFans training club we have. So you can find that in there. But you want to use Reddit the most, you want to use Twitter the second most, and then the least, if any at all, I don't even think it's worth your time, you can use Instagram. So in the beginning, you can post the same content on all those as long as they fit within the guidelines of those platforms so you're not wasting time and getting banned. If you are using Twitter, you want to make sure you're using hashtags appropriately because that's going to get new eyes on your page. And if you're using Reddit, I have my whole Reddit tutorial series in our OnlyFans training club that explains exactly how to set up your account, how to gain karma, how to indirect and direct marketing methods or promotional methods for you, along with, hundreds of subreddits to use for those type of methods. But that's my basic answer. So no, you don't have to post different content on all three accounts, but yes, you kind of do because of the type of content that each platform allows and doesn't allow. In the beginning, really just start making content. Get your OnlyFans page going and start using Reddit because it's going to be the most lenient with your content. And then second after that is Twitter. And those are my recommendations for you. And I wish you the best of luck. And if you want to check out our 10-step method on how to make $1,000 and get a few hundred fans in the first month on OnlyFans, along with a bunch of other stuff, you want to go to our OnlyFans training club and become a member. We do have some free trials, and the link to all that is going to be in the description below this video on YouTube. So that's going to be it for me today. I wish you all luck, and I love to answer your questions, so don't hesitate to ask me. But do know I prioritize anyone that's in my training club first, and then from there I go to my website, and then the third would be YouTube. YouTube has not been giving me any love lately. They've been banning some of my videos, so I had to move everything to posting on my OnlyFans page, which is now a OnlyFans training club. So I hope to see you all there. If you have any questions, let me know, and peace.